Beyel, owner of Beyel Brothers Crane and Rigging. Today we're moving from Rockledge, Florida at the rail yard here. It had to come in by rail because it was so heavy. We'll be taking it out across 520 across the St. Johns River Bridge. We are approximately just under 800,000 pounds, 20 feet wide, just under 18 feet high.
When you want to shut it down.
Today we're moving from Rockledge, Florida at the rail yard here. It had to come in by rail because it was so heavy, but we're going to be able to make all our turns and get right up in there to the switch yard.
6 inches on the bumping. Easy. Come up a little, Brian. Easy, Craig. Easy, easy. Come up, Phil. Real easy, Craig. Good.
I'll be keeping the back end straight and pushing when need be.
Right, east side, real easy. I got a float with that float over the concrete, the medium.
Oh, I'm watching the person on the rear of the trailer. They're going to help guide me around. And just like the one on the front of the trailer, they help guide. But other than that, it's just pushing and keeping the trailer straight.
Right, are you good all the way to where you are? Bring it up, Brian. Bring it up, Nick. Bring it up. For this hump, bring it up a little. That looks pretty good.
Basically what my job is to do is stand on the back of the trailer, make sure it's level, and steer it as we go around turns. I got 2 remote controls that I will steer the trailer around each turn with. Once we get to where we're going down the straightaway again, we'll pin everything off and we'll continue down the road and let the trailer follow the truck. Before we make a turn, we're just looking at a turning radius and always looking ahead, making sure that there's no obstacles or anything that we can't see. That's why we have several spotters and all our guys have radios. One of our guys on the ground can let us know ahead of time before we get there because the trailer will only steer so fast. Basically everything's ran off of hydraulics and air, and you basically hold a valve down, it releases a pin, and then as the trailer's rolling you hold another lever and the hydraulics extend the rams in or out depending on if we're retracting or extending the axles. The reason that we extend the axles is to spread the load weight out. You don't want to have all of the weight riding that close together.
it to the driver a little. Lean it over.
Anytime we make a turn, the trailer leans one way or the other. The sharper the turn, the harder the lean. We got to make sure that we keep everything level to a certain degree to make sure that the load doesn't shift or get unsafe.
Looking good down the passenger side. Good, Nick. Looking good, Nick. Craig's going to be about 3 feet from the edge of the wall as he goes under. Looking good so far, looking good. Clearing the bridge by a foot. The officer said he's going to give us the whole road till we get off, so if you need to move left or right, you're good. Looking good on our bump feet. About 5-6 inches here in the front.
And I thought I had a wide load. Look at this guy coming southbound.
Cleared the sign. The only place you got is at the end of the ramp, and when you make the turn on the 524, there's a wire. Bucket truck should be here, have it picked. Looking good. Leaning just a little to the passenger. I got cleared the wire right here at the bottom of the ramp. When you get on the 524, the bucket truck is set up in front of the BP for the wire. Looking good. Looking good on the passenger side.
For such a big trailer is we're spreading the load, dual laning it over several bridges, over the St. Johns River Bridge. Did this move probably 25 years ago with some dollies and today's new technology. We're using a big Trail King 800 to spread the load over the bridges.
Passenger side. Alright, I'm turning. Need a little more on the front dolly, Nick. Alright, let's go forward real slow. Push, Doc.
Once we get the transformer there, it's backup power for all the homes and all in Brevard County. I appreciate all the citizens out here being patient with us when we make all the turns. Ultimately, this is going to give extra power to the community. So if you have anything heavy, long, wide, tall, don't hesitate to call Beyel Brothers. It's 30-some years of experience. I have all my senior men on site to accommodate all your needs.
I'll stop.